how to register a Taobao account. You want to load up the browser on your phone. Google search for Taobao register. And once this page loads, we will need to translate it first. So I'm just going to click on translate to English. And once this translates, here it's going to ask for your mobile phone number. So you will just choose your country first. And once you find your country, like so, you will confirm it. And you will need to type your phone number. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, so once you submit your phone number, it is going to send you a verification code. I just verified using that 4-digit code. And this is the next step. We will again translate to English. Please answer you to confirm that you're the operator. Alright, so I already have an account here. So when was this registered? I registered it this year. And we will go into the next step. So commonly used login devices. This is just asking me to verify. And right here, it is automatically going to connect my account. If you're registering for the first time, it is going to ask for more information such as your birthday. It is also going to ask for your name and email address. And once you provide that, it is going to create the account automatically. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.